The 10 Best Paddles. SeaSense X1 Kayak Paddle. The SeaSense Extreme, one of the best paddles for kayak. The ever-trendy SeaSense Indigenous is that the first selection in worth and luxury. This kayak paddle has 2 fragment L construction and is buoyant weight, subsequent to a definite length of 84. The drip rings are regulating and its engineering science foam hand grips. Carlisle Day Tripper Paddle. Carlisle Day Tripper L Kayak Paddle could be a wonderful kayak paddle for those searching for tall put-it-on. This paddle is from swearing covering material for the shaft, creating it highly sturdy. Carlisle Expedition Paddle. If you aren't thinking to shop for a lightweight kayak paddle, then you're in the right area. The Carlisle Expedition covering material itinerant kayak paddle is utterly full of animatronics, weight and powerful sufficient. Werner Calist Carbon Paddle. The Callistos Take Steps core blades have a partnered degree exceptionally spacious weight floating atmosphere apropos the water and silken swish strokes that produce paddling all hours of daylight long atmosphere easy. You about feeling awfully snug for the bends within the shaft. Angler Classic Kayak Paddle. Thin bending branches Angler Classic Kayak Paddle, snap button is for you. This kayak paddle is expected behind angular understandable options. It's horribly spacious weight, however sturdy plenty. It additionally contains a ruler handily marked not far and wide off from the paddle shaft. Advanced Elements Compact Paddle. It's 4-piece paddle, meaning it breaks down into 4 separate sections. Once you break it all the way down to 4 separate sections, your longest piece is 25 inches long. Aquabound Manta Ray Paddle. The Aquabound Ray Carbon contains a slightly larger blade surface for athletic best paddlers preferring a high-angle vogue following the auxiliary bite. It's expected to manufacture a bearing-in-mind undertaking subsequent to low swap weight by combining a carbon shaft along with carbon blades. Werner Camino Paddle. If you wish to travel a flat water and mellow sea adventures, we have a tendency to futuristic the easy to become accustomed and comfy the Werner Camino 2 laptop straight paddle. The Werner Camino 2-piece paddle is super sturdy. Carlisle Magic and Kayak Paddle. The Carlisle Enchantment additionally to fiberglass filled polypropylene sour edges in splendid hues are light-hearted, weight and durable. The unbalanced, somewhat spoon-last form joint taking into account a fresh weight, filmable covering material L shaft produces swish however groundbreaking strokes. Track Outdoor Kayak Paddle. This is a wonderful paddle at the value, sturdy serve, elastic handholds, dribble monitors, and rotary leisure dispute alternatives. Paddle rancorous edges environment sturdy and generous. This can be a rare paddle for child support.